Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. We have two similar equations. A cubed minus a squared minus a equal to 2 and b cubed minus b squared minus b equal to 2. A, b are not integers. Find the value of a plus b. Would you please to solve it? In this video, we will share the basics math operations to find the result. Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the solutions. Take a look at these two given equations. There's a number 2 in each equation. Quickly input if a equal to 2, then substitute a by 2 to a cubed minus a squared minus a equal to 2. Find 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 2 as 8 minus 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So a equal to 2 is one of the solutions. But the definition in the beginning, a, b are not an integers. So we skip a equal to 2 solutions. At the same time, it is that a minus 2 is a factor of these equations. Then move all the items to one side from these equations. Then factorize with factor a minus 2 as quantity a minus 2 multiplies quantity a squared plus a plus 1 equal to 0. Also factorize the other equation as quantity b minus 2 multiplies quantity b squared plus b plus 1 equal to 0. A, b not equal to 2, so eliminate quantity a minus 2 and b minus 2 in each equation. After that, it is easy way to get a from a squared plus a plus 1 equal to 0. The formula to find x from ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. X equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Adopt the formula to get a equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 1. Simplify as a equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 square root over 2. A equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 square root I over 2. Then get b from b squared plus b plus 1 equal to 0. B got the same result. List a, b value. Then the question is to get the value of a plus b. There are 4 combinations. A plus b equal to minus 1 plus 3 square root of I over 2 plus minus 1 plus 3 square root of I over 2, or replace the second items to minus 1 minus 3 square root of I over 2, or replace the first item to minus 1 minus 3 square root of I over 2, or both of them replace to minus 1 minus 3 square root of I over 2. Simplify all these items, got a plus b equal to minus 1 plus 3 square root of I, or minus 1, or minus 1, or minus 1 minus 3 square root of I. That's all the answer we got. Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.